There's always a hand behind the machine, behind the gun. In this particular case, the primer, we use a special phosphate primer, which doesn't allow the rust to penetrate through the finish. So obviously that can happen overnight, that can happen in a year, 5 years. So it's just a really good, solid application layer that we put. And again, it is a challenge for the spray. You don't have to apply too thick, you don't have to apply too thin. It has to have that consistency, making sure that it's effective and looking good at the same time. It doesn't look like it, but it is very physical job, so you don't have to rush. I mean, this is a fine product that you want to achieve. It's a stamina, it's like a marathon. It's part of a fitness, it's like a workout, so it gives you flexibility at the same time. So you've got the stretching, you've got the warm-up, you've got the constant workout, and then obviously you've got to never have to stop thinking of what you're doing, not for a second. You've got to have your eyes on the detail constantly. So this is, as I'm saying, is what matters here. It's not just the machine, but the hand which pulls the trigger.